Well, let me tell you about Maureen. Maureen's an 83-year-old that lives down the hall from me and has a new one of those mobility scooters. And she's up all night revving it and doing donuts outside of our block. As if that wasn't bad enough, now she's got a bumper sticker on the back that says, "Honk if you're feeling frisky." Kids these days. Maybe I should get one that says, "Subscribe to our channel and tell all your friends." But of course, you're already doing that for me, aren't you? Well, I'm guessing you didn't come here to hear me complaining about Maureen and her scooter all day, did you? You're probably thinking, what does this have to do with anything, you crazy old man? Well, let me tell you the number of honks that Maureen's getting. It's a little bit disturbing. Anyways, today we're talking about mobile advertising. Not on your phone, but your car or your bike. Get a couple of stickers made up with your website address or your phone number. Slap them on your vehicle, and every time you're driving around, that's some free advertising for you. Sitting in traffic and you've got nothing else to do but read bumper stickers. Might as well be using that free advertising space, I say. And hey, while you're at it, when you park in your driveway, make sure the back of your car is facing out towards the road. You can even get some stickers for the windows. If you create a really fun and memorable bumper sticker, you can even pass them out to happy customers and friends and family. Sounds like a pretty easy way to get the word out. And I think it's a low-key winner.